Imagine walking into a classroom and instead of a human teacher, a robot rolls to the front and says, "Good morning, students." Sounds like scientific, right? But what if I told you that it's already happening? So today, let's ask the big question. Will robots replace teachers? And what does the future of education really look like? Stay with me, the answer may surprise you. Let's start with what is real, not theory. In Japan, humanoid robots like Seiya have been used to deliver basic lessons. In South Korea, English teaching robots help kids with pronunciation and grammar. AI tutors like Kamingo from Khan Academy and platforms like ChatGPT are already helping millions of students globally with homework, explanations, and exam prep. It's not just coming, it's already here. What can robots do better? Robots can never get tired. Robots can have access to massive data that a human teacher cannot. Robots can personalize learning at scale, something even the best human teacher can struggle with in a large classroom. They don't get emotionally triggered or impatient. In theory, a robot could give a student instant feedback 24 hours 7. That's powerful. But here is the catch. Teaching is about more than delivering information. A great teacher knows when a student is struggling. Even if the student says nothing, they can encourage, motivate, and adapt. They can make jokes, tell stories, build trust, and sometimes they are the reason a student doesn't give up. Emotional intelligence, empathy, and real human connection, that's something robots just can't replace. At least not yet. So, what's the most likely future? Not a robot versus teacher world, but it is a robot and a teacher world. Imagine this. AI handles repetitive tasks like grading or drilling basic concepts. Human teachers focuses on deeper learning, guiding discussions, mentoring, and emotional support. Think of robots as a tool, not as a replacement. Like calculators didn't replace math teachers, but they changed how math was taught. So, how should we prepare for the future? Students need to focus on creativity, communication, collaborations, the human skills. Learn how to use AI tools, not to fear them. Parents and educators should start integrating smart tools early, but never forget the role of human guidance. In the future, the best educators may not be the ones who fight technology, but the ones who work with it. So, will robots replace teachers? The answer is emphatically no, but they will change what teaching looks like. The question isn't if robots will take over, but how will we evolve alongside them? What do you think? Would you want your child taught by a robot? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. And if you want more content on tech, AI, and the future of learning, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell. See you in the next one.